What is up, RC enthusiasts? Check it out. It's a brushless 16 scale truck. If you want to see any of this information, go ahead and pause it at any time to read any of this stuff on the box. But as you can tell here, it's got a little wheelie bar, comes with some lights as a bonus, got some option parts upgrades right there, and it's supposed to be an HBX, but I don't see it say HBX anywhere on the box. But it seems to be packaged just like any of the 18 scale HBX I have. So you check it out right here. Instruction manual is going to be on either side. Then when you open it, it looks just like an HBX truck. The setup of the box is exactly the same. You get to the middle and you can see the controller and all your accessories are going to be in there. Check out how nice this truck looks. The controller is pretty nice too. Feels really good. Quality feeling for sure. But yeah, let's take a look at inside the truck. There's a brushless motor, your 1500 mAh lithium ion, I believe. And there's your chassis bottom. Here's all the stuff that comes in the box right there. And don't forget to peel this off right here before you put your stickers on. And this is what you're gonna get. Alright, I'm going to do a speed test with a 2S 1300 mAh lithium ion that comes with it. And after that, I'm going to put a 2S lipo 1500 mAh and see if I gain any speed from that. Let's get to that. I don't know if you can see it on there, but that's 23 miles an hour. So now 2S lipo 1500 mAh, let's see how that goes. Looks like it was able to gain a mile an hour, I think it was. Well, there you guys go. Check it out. Took about 6 packs of that kind of abuse. And look at the gears. Doesn't even look like it wore out at all, so it should be a pretty reliable truck. Maybe a little bit more power it could handle, maybe a bigger brushless motor, who knows, but as it is, it's not too bad. It's got enough torque to pop wheelies, and the way it is, it'll probably stay very reliable, so not too bad. The rear drive shafts are actually metal. I thought they were plastic, but they're metal, but the front ones are plastic. But yeah, guys, that's about it right there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe below if you want to see more of this kind of content. And as always, go out there, have some fun, and run that RC.